KZN Future 50, powered by F&B Business and East Coast Radio, is up next. Stay tuned as we spotlight an unstoppable business shaping our future's province.
They say it's just business, but it's so much more for us as Mzansi businesses. It's about showing up every day on every street corner, B&B, barbershop, farm, franchise, and manufacturer. Because giving up is just not an option. It's about the comfort we, as over 1 million unstoppable businesses, feel from having F&B Business behind us. They help us stay unstoppable. Help changes everything. Global Finance 2024 Best SME Bank in South Africa. F&B, a division of First Rand Bank Limited, an authorized FSP and credit provider.
The KZN Future 50 with Pavlo Fatidis. Inspiring KZN's business future.
It's time for KZN Future 50, and for that we have Pavlo Fatidis from Auric. Good morning, Pavlo.
Good morning, Carmen.
So please tell me which business you will be featuring today, and of course, why did you pick them?
Well, we're going to be talking about Alute SA, Alute South Africa, which operates within the occupational health and safety industry in South Africa. And what they do is they provide training, consulting, equipment supply, and some quite smart e-systems, in other words, digital system solutions that help keep the workplace safe. Really important in the industrial sector. If we can keep our workers safe, our workers can perform. If we can keep our workers safe, management can focus on growth, and that provides opportunities for the company as well as its employees, as well as supporting the KZN economy.
So what makes them special enough to be on the KZN Future 50?
You know what? Every business really has two parts to it. You've got to have a good product or a good service, and they certainly have that in how they deliver their occupational safety and health. But the second thing it means is people need to know about it. You need to be able to go out there and find clients, and you need to be able to engage clients. And every business faces that. In their instance, they need to prioritize their attention on Durban, Pinetown, Richards Bay, and Newcastle, where they're going to focus on high-risk industries. If you think about, for example, heavy industry machinery, we have that in automotive and metals and chemicals, logistics and transport. Durban Port, one of our single biggest assets. We've got warehousing that's built around it and distribution. We have fantastic construction and engineering taking place in KZN at the moment. And right now, the individuals that buy what they have to offer are all focused on occupational safety and health. They need to take their product, which is occupational safety and health, and get the attention of occupational safety and health managers.
So, Pavlo, where will Alute SA be in 5 years?
Well, here's the trick. If we understand that every business has the two parts, you've got the product and service, and then you've got the process, the commercial process that communicates your business called marketing. You've got the commercial process called sales, which converts interested parties into customers. And then you've got the commercial process that helps you deliver what you promised you would deliver, and that's called operations. In this instance, their product is a great product. What's needed is a way to communicate to the people who buy their product within the companies that they sell their products to. And these occupational health and safety managers need to understand how working with any company, in this case Alute, will help protect their careers, impress their leaders, help the business win more contracts and lower costs and increase efficiency, and how it really keeps operations running smoothly. In learning how to communicate that above the features and benefits of the product and resonating with the people who do the buying of what they have to offer, I think they're going to find the path to real growth.
So tell us, what can KZN do to help Alute SA?
Being in KZN, we're going to look at some KZN companies that could use them and really step up and step beyond what they're currently doing. And of course, Unilever, Durban head office, is one of them. Aroshni Moodley is the compliance manager over there, and I can assure you, you will get really insightful service at a different level. Also, we've got Tonga Hewlett's Rosberg location. Dean Anapang is the safety and health manager there. Same applies. If Aroshni and Dean are listening, or if you know Aroshni and Dean, get them in contact with Alute. But furthermore, there's one additional element. Alute is growing, and Carmen, that means they need people. They have opportunity for new employees with technical competencies in firefighting, hydraulic electronic fire systems, HVAC disciplines, people who've got good communication, administrative capability, and people with management skills can all knock on Alute's door. The one thing you want as a job seeker is to hook onto a fast-moving train, and Alute is certainly that.
Pavlo Fatidis from Auric is joining us for KZN Future 50. Thank you so much for joining us. And if you want to get involved in KZN Future 50, you go to ecr.co.za. You can find all the information on every single company that we feature.